Hi guys, welcome to my blog. Okay, for the new subscriber, just like and follow, share my videos for more information. Okay, today I'm going to unbox this Samwo Engineering brand SD-48N RRN. Okay, this is a 48 by 48 panel mounted type. Okay, if you see, it's well sealed. This is a dual display, okay, with process value and set value. It has two relay contact output, okay, SD-48N RRN. Okay, from this one you can be able to see the power here, terminal 6 and 7. This is 100 to 240 AC, okay, and then the main output is this one, output 1. There is a common contact NO and NC, okay, and then this is the output 2, which you can be able to make your another set value, okay, which is going to follow, or you can make it also as your alarm, okay. And in this controller you can be able to see there is a thermocouple input, there is also PT100, and there is also millivolts voltage output and humidity sensor input, okay. For this one, many of our client, Mr. Amor, can I use this one not only for temperature? Can I use this one for to control the pressure? My answer is yes. Why? Because this controller, it has a 0 to 10 volts input and milliamps input, which is like 4 to 20 milliamps. Okay, as long as you have the sensor, okay, which is having like 4 to 20 milliamps output, you can be able to use on this controller. From this controller, okay, of course you are going to scale the value of your transmitter. For example, pressure transmitter 0 to 16 bar, okay, you can be able to scale it from here. At first, always remember when you are going to power up your controller for safety, okay, you have to check the manual, okay, of course the power, then you have to plug it on. At first, you have to check what is your input. For example, your input is sensor, you're going to use this as sensor, then you have to select. That is the first thing that you are going to do. You have to introduce your sensor to the controller, okay. You are going to choose, like for example, PT100 thermocouple, what type? K type, J type, S type, T type, or something. And you can be able to choose also 0 to 10 volts or 4 to 20 milliamps according to the value of your transmitter. For example, let's say pressure transmitter 0 to 16 bar, output is 4 to 20 milliamps, okay. You can be able to use the output of that transmitter, okay, to here, which is going to be here on terminal 4, okay, positive, and terminal 2, which is negative, okay. From here also, I see this one. Milliamps input will be 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Okay. 5 is positive, 3 is negative. Okay. As per this one. Okay. And then when you are going to do that, you have to provide your external power, which is 24 volts, which you are going to directly connected the negative supply to the negative of your controller, which is terminal number 3, okay. And then the positive of your power supply, you are going to connect this one to the positive input of your transmitter, and the output of the transmitter is going to go here on the terminal number 5, okay. So you are, from that one, when you are going to power up, your transmitter is like a loop powered, okay, connected into loop, okay, going here. So after that, you are going to scale according to the value. For example, 4 to 20 milliamps. What is the value? Mostly, it's of course 0. And then the value of your 20, you are going to make it 16. For example, 0 to 16 bar. Then it's going to be display from here according to the fluctuation of your 4 to 20 mm. When you applied pressure on your transmitter, you are going to see it from here. Okay, from here also on the lower display, if you see from this one closely, this is the process value which you are going to see the actual pressure when you apply the pressure on your transmitter or temperature, for example. Then from here, your set value, your targeted value. Okay, for example, your target is 10. When it reach 10, okay, when the process value is lower than your set value, output is on. When it reach, for example, 10, it will stop. And from this also controller, you can be able to make your hysteresis. Hysteresis meaning to say this is the distance between on and off. Okay, hysteresis is the distance between on and off. For example, in the hysteresis, you make the value of 2. Okay, the controller will stop at 10. Okay, when the value is coming down to 8, then it's going to turn on again. Always remember, okay, this controller, it has a 5 ampere resistive load. Okay, it's going to end up to 1000 watts. However, okay, mostly of our client, they are going to use external relay, okay, to trigger a bigger relays. Small relays, okay, will going to protect your controller. That small relay, external relay, is going to trigger like a contactor, which is going to hold a large amount of current. For example, motors, you want to control motors, you cannot be able to directly connect it from here. Okay, this controller will just serves as a switch mechanism, no? Okay, to your small relay, which is going to trigger a bigger relays, no, like contactors. Okay, that is the use of this temperature controller. Okay, next time I'm going to explain also to you how to configure this item. So please support my channel, like and subscribe. Okay, and then don't forget to press the bell button below. Okay, leave your comment on the lower portion. Leave your comment. If you have any suggestion, comment, just let us know so I can be able to discuss on my next video. Thank you for watching.